Western Michigan University is embracing the future of communication with Webex Calling in the Webex app. Webex Calling is integrated into the Webex app, which many of you already use for collaboration and meetings. You'll now use that same app to place and receive phone calls using your Western phone number. Say goodbye to traditional desk phones and hello to a modern, cost-effective calling solution. You can make and receive calls anytime, anywhere. Webex Calling gives you one number that works across your computer, laptop, or mobile device. This transition means lower hardware costs, reduced maintenance, and new pricing plans that help WMU optimize resources while enhancing communication for everyone. Webex Calling is the future of campus communication. Using Webex Calling is simple. Open the Webex app, then click Sign In, enter your WMU email address, hit Next, enter your Bronco Net ID credentials, then log in. Call colleagues by selecting the Dial Pad tab on the left sidebar, then search their name or 5-digit extension in the center search bar. Click the phone icon and select the number to call. Using the center search bar, you can call anyone with no need to dial 9 for an outside line by typing in the full telephone number and clicking the phone icon or pressing Enter on your keyboard. Missed a call? No worries. Click the voicemail tab on the left sidebar to listen to messages by clicking the play icon, double-click to view transcripts, and call back by clicking the phone icon. Seamless calling meets effortless collaboration. Webex Calling in the Webex app keeps you connected wherever you work. We're excited to bring Webex Calling to WMU and help you stay connected, anywhere, anytime. For detailed information or support, visit the Phone Services Overview help article on goWMU or visit bit.ly/WMU-phone services. Let's move forward together.